What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Grogu from the Mandalorian. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page at the top edge of the eyes. I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. And then we'll bend that down on the outside. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that down. Now I want to round out the bottom of the eye and just pull that back in towards that inside point. Come all the way around towards the bottom, just pull that up. Let's add a highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye on the left, draw a circle coming in and then back out. Let's line this up on the right side. Let's draw a smaller circle along the inside. And then we'll add a glare along the bottom right. Starting down here, bend this up, and then across. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then we'll fill the center of the eye in black, going around that highlight and the glare. Now move down in the center and draw the top edge of the mouth, starting over on the left, bend this down, and then up. And then on the end, just going to curve the mouth, coming down and out towards the side. Let's move back to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and down across the lower lip. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. On the outside left eye, let's step out, curve the head, coming down, round up the cheek, and just pull that up on the inside. Let's line that up on the right. Coming down, rounding out the cheek, and then pulling that in. Let's tuck the chin in underneath the cheek. We're going to step out, curve it down the middle, and then back up. Now we're going to add a fold across the top of the brow, starting on the top of the left eye, bend this up, and then out, and we'll line that up on the right. Now I want to leave a gap on the side of the head and draw in the top. So on the left side, let's step up, curve this up, round up the head, just pull that down in the middle, go up on the right, around, and then bend that down. Now I want to add that fold in the center of the head. Starting right in the middle, go straight up, and bend that out towards the left, go back to the center, go up, and then out towards the right. Now let's tuck the ears along the side of the head. From this point, we're going to step up, curve the ear coming down, and go straight out towards the edge of our page. Line this up on the right, going down, and go straight out. Let's round up the tip of the ear, coming down, and then bend that in. I'm going to add another curve, coming down, in, and then up towards the side of the cheek. Now I want to add that fold along the top of the ear. From here, we're going to step in, just going to curve this in, and then bend that down towards the side of the head, and we'll line that up on the right side. Let's add another fold along the inside, curving around, and then hooking that in. Now with the head in place, let's draw in the collar. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we want to add a fold along the bottom. So we're going to step back up, go out, and then down on both sides. Now on the left side, come down and then in towards the middle. And we'll add a fold, going around and back up underneath the chin. From this point, let's step up, go out, and then bend that up towards the bottom right. Let's go back and add a fold underneath the eyes. From this point, we're going to step down, bend this down, and then out. And do the same thing on the right. And then we'll add the nose in the center in between the eyes. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. From the edge of the collar, we're going to step in and move down. Start on the left, then it's out, and then down toward the left. We'll line this up on the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, going down, and then back up. Now I'm going to add two lines coming down the center. Let's start with the one on the left. Draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the coat. Go to the top right and draw the same length line. Now I'm going to tuck the arms in behind the body. From the bottom corners of the collar, it is out and then down. Goes down and in toward the side of the body. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. From this point, bend this around and then down. And then draw a curve going down and in toward the side. And then from here, we're going to add the thumb and 3 fingers along the bottom. Let's start from the inside, draw a half oval, going down and up the thumb. Same thing on the right. Let's leave a small gap and draw the first finger, come down and then up. Now I'm going to layer 2 more fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom, go out and up, move over and draw that again. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Grogu from the Mandalorian. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.